Landscape creations can transform your home into a beautiful and functional showplace. By incorporating professional design and installation, hardscapes, stone, or new landscape plantings, your home can become the envy of the neighborhood. Hardscape construction can provide natural beauty in addition to functional entertainment areas for your home. Our professional designers can enhance your outside space using hardscape components that will add tremendous appeal and value and actually make the outdoors an extension of your home. Hardscape elements include outdoor living additions to your landscape, such as seat walls and pillars, planters, outdoor kitchens and bars, entertainment areas, ponds, waterfalls, and fountains, porches, stoops, and steps, pergolas, gazebos, arbors, and decorative wood screenings. These unique structures may be fashioned using materials made of unilock brick paving and retaining wall systems, natural and fabricated stone, outcroppings and boulders, river rock, reclaimed and salvaged brick and stone. Additionally, low-cost and easily maintained LED lighting can give a whole new dimension to landscape and completely change the nighttime atmosphere. Hardscape installation includes a 5-year guarantee as well as a transferable guarantee and warranty from Unilock. As a proud Unilock authorized contractor since 1995, Landscape Creations promises high-quality products and expert installation that will beautify and enhance your home's value for years to come. Natural stone is a great way to complement landscape construction and planting. Incorporating stone into your outdoor living space is the perfect way to add aesthetic value and style to your home. Landscape Creations offers 2 different types of stone: fabricated stone and natural as quarried finish. Stone can be used as steps, copings, decorative accents, and walls, softening a hardscape design and giving a completely different feel to an outdoor setting. Landscape Creations offers professional design, expertise, and installation of plantings such as trees, shrubs, and perennials. These hand-selected varieties provide low maintenance, seasonal color, and add shade and privacy. Placement and spacing are meticulously planned based on sunlight, soil types, and bloom times. Shrubs and perennials are used to further add texture, color, and extend bloom times. These natural additions add the finishing touch to any project. Landscape Creations' 3D visualization system allows our customers to experience complete views of a new landscape design with realistic, multiple aspect renderings. The visualization shows elevation, plantings, hardscape elements, and even low voltage lighting, giving you a very real feel for your new landscape design in the context of your specific outdoor home environment. Showing how a given landscape design looks in daylight as well as at night, this Unilock Univision system uses actual available materials and landscape planting options, bringing our presentation to life. Call Landscape Creations today at 630-932-8966 to schedule your free on-site consultation, or visit our website at www.landscape-creation.com for more information.